Would you like your team of guides or angels to be your very best friends, to actually build a clear and close relationship with them where you feel their presence every single day? If that sounds good to you, stay tuned for this video. Hi, I'm Melissa, and I help spiritually aware women build a trusting relationship with their personal team of guides so they can make aligned decisions in their life, move from uncertainty to clarity, and live a life guided by spirit. I invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, and please comment below so we can build this amazing spiritual community. So how do you begin to create a close relationship with your angels? The first step is to start to recognize their presence. And for many of you, this is where you're at on your journey. And you get curious, right? And you looked up this video on YouTube. So you're starting to notice the signs, those hunches. Maybe you're getting chills. That's a really good sign that your angels are with you. You're feeling presence, you're feeling energy. And you know that there's more to this life than just the physical. So you start to then acknowledge that presence instead of writing it off or not paying attention. And that's what many people do. We're so used to being in our head and dismissing things, right? So I encourage you to really start noticing their presence. Write down what impressions you're getting. Write down the dreams that you're having, and really be aware of the spiritual connection that's around you. Then you can learn to actually utilize the intuitive gifts that you have to receive that guidance more directly. Rather than just randomly feeling things and not quite sure what to do with it, you're actually asking for messages and receiving them. And that's what I teach in my step 1 of the spirit guided path, which is called Awaken to the Messages of Your Angels. So you actually have 4 intuitive gifts: clairaudience, which is hearing; clairvoyance, which is the inner visions; prophecy, which is inner knowing; and feeling, which is the gut feelings and hunches. You can get guidance through all of those. You can develop all of those and have it be a guiding force in your life. Once you have that, then you want to move on to actually establishing more of a two-way communication, a relationship. And this is where step 2 of the spirit guided path comes in, which is called Direct Angelic Answers. It's my brand new program. The consultation you get has been around for decades, but I have created a new course to go along with it. And the cool thing about this is you're getting a consultation, a method of communicating that's proven, that's tried and true, that people have been working with since the 1970s. And I personally have been using this all my life. I know many of my clients have as well. This is the tool that I go to when I come to a turning point in my life, when I need to make a decision, when I feel like I'm getting in my own way and I'm not sure which way to turn. This is the method that I use to ask my guides for advice, for their suggestions, for their opinion on things. And I start to gather that information from spirit. That what is the timing of things? What is in my best interest? What options do I have? What do you suggest that is my next step? And they're not telling you what to do, but they're making suggestions based on the bigger picture perspective they have of your life. If you're not utilizing the support that's available to you, you're really probably feeling like you're struggling. You're feeling left alone. I mean, you may have amazing people in your life, but there's nothing like that connection with your guides. It's one of the contracts that you've come to work with in this lifetime. So once you can have this connection, then you're going to start to see how your guides can actually advise you to always be in the right place at the right time. And you still have to trust it, right? If you get a clear answer from your guides and then 5 minutes later you're, oh, was that really right? It's not going to get you anywhere. So you also have to build your trust and faith. But that comes with practice. If you try putting this into practice in your life and see how the magic starts to unfold, you're going to, really recognize that this is the difference between living life the easy way or the hard way, right? Hard way is struggling on your own, trying to figure it out with your brain, and your brain is limited. It's great, but it's a little limited. Or you can do this the smooth, simple way. Get that connection with spirit, have their support and guidance along the way, so you don't have to make it up. You can get more into alignment. And once you have this, then you're going to be at that stage of truly having a relationship with Spirit, actively asking for their help, having conversations with them, able to hear them in your mind, and get their connection anytime you need it. Also to feel their healing energy when you need it. So if you want to get to this level of trust, communication, a true relationship with your guides who really are here to help you, and it's not as difficult as you might think, then I invite you to Direct Angelic Answers. You're going to receive a private session with me where you'll learn about your guides, you'll learn about your strengths of intuitive gifts, which one is your primary one. So for me, for example, it's vision. I primarily get pictures. What is it for you? And then you will learn this method of checking and rechecking with your guides, asking them questions, getting their suggestions, pointing you in the right direction, because you don't have to figure this out on your own. You have support. And I would love for you to utilize that support. That's my mission for this lifetime, is to help as many people access the guidance that's available to them that they've been neglecting. So check out Direct Angelic Answers. And if you want to learn more about your relationship with Spirit, then I would recommend that you watch this video next. Check it out, and I'll see you on over there.